Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today's video is all about search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. We'll cover the basics of SEO to help your website rank higher on search engines like Google. So let's get started. So what exactly is SEO? Simply put, SEO is the process of making your website more visible on search engines. When someone searches for something online, SEO helps your website appear higher in the search results. This is super important because the higher you rank, the more people will find your site. Think about it like this: more visibility means more visitors, and more visitors can lead to more customers and better results for your online efforts. Let's talk about keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. Using the right keywords helps your website appear in search results. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs can help you find popular keywords. For example, if you run a bakery, you might use keywords like best chocolate cake or fresh bread near me. Choosing the right keywords can attract more visitors to your site. Next up, backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. They're like votes of confidence. When other sites link to yours, it shows that your content is valuable. Quality is more important than quantity. A few high-quality backlinks from well-respected sites can boost your ranking more than many low-quality ones. Create valuable content, reach out to other website owners, and consider guest blogging to earn those backlinks. Now, let's optimize your content. Search engines use algorithms to decide which pages to show. By using relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and body text, you help these algorithms understand your page. Remember, user engagement is key. Make your content useful and well organized. Encourage interaction by asking questions or including calls to action. The more people engage with your content, the better your search rankings. Don't forget about meta tags. These are snippets of information in your web page's HTML. Title tags are the clickable headlines in search results, and meta descriptions provide a brief summary of your page. Make sure your title tags are clear and include your main keywords. Write engaging meta descriptions to attract clicks. Using meta tags effectively can improve your visibility on search engines. Understanding the basics of SEO is crucial for anyone in digital marketing. From keyword research to backlinks, content optimization, and meta tags, these strategies will help your website rank higher and attract more visitors. Remember, SEO is always evolving. Stay updated with new trends and techniques. Implement these basics, keep learning, and watch your online presence grow. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.